Welcome back to Techinstall. In today's video, I'll show you how to install APK files in BlueStacks. This is useful when an app isn't available on the Google Play Store or when you want to install a specific version of an app. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Now go to apkmirror.com, which is one of the most popular and trusted websites for downloading Android APK files. For this tutorial, I'll be downloading TikTok. Click on the application from the search results. Next, select the version you want to download. Download APK. Depending on your browser, the file may begin downloading automatically or ask you where you'd like to save it. Wait for the download to finish before moving to the next step. Now launch BlueStacks. On the right-hand toolbar, click the Install APK button. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder where your APK file was downloaded. Select the APK file and click Open. BlueStacks will automatically begin installing the application. This usually takes only a few seconds. After the installation is complete, you'll see the app icon appear on the BlueStacks home screen. Simply click the icon to launch the application. As you can see, the app is now running successfully inside BlueStacks. There's also another way to install APK files. You can simply drag and drop the APK file directly onto the BlueStacks window. BlueStacks will automatically detect the file and begin the installation process. This method is often faster and more convenient. And that's how to install APK files in BlueStacks. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to Techinstall for more software installation and setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.